Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to crochet this pretty coasters. So this is a very simple project. So for making this I have used this 100% acrylic crochet thread. So I'll show you the label for this one. So here it is Ganga Hobby India crochet thread. And the sizes you can see. It is size 1 super fine category crochet thread. So this is what I have used for making these coasters. And crochet hook, I have used a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook for this project. So this is a very simple project. So let's get started. So first we are going to make a magic circle. So in this magic circle we are going to chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. So this chain 3 counts as a double crochet and we are going to work 11 more double crochets in the magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So here we have 12 double crochets including the first chain 3. So now I'm going to make a slip stitch on top of the first chain 3. So here in the third chain I'm going to make a slip stitch and finish this round. So that's our first round. So for the next round we are going to chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. We are going to work another double crochet into the same stitch. So this counts as an increase. Again we will increase in the next stitch, that is we will work 2 double crochets into the same stitch. 1 and 2 into the same stitch. Again increase in the next one. So 1 and 2 in the same stitch. Again increase 1 and 2. Again increase 1 and 2. So like this we will increase in each stitch. I'll meet you here at the end. So here I'm at the end of this round. I'm going to make a slip stitch on top of this first chain 3 that we made here. Here I'm going to make a slip stitch and finish the second round. So for the next round we are going to chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Then we will increase in the next stitch. So here in the next stitch we will work 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. Then we will work 1 double crochet in the next stitch. 1. Then again increase in the next stitch. 1 and 2 in the same stitch. Then again 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Then again increase in the next one. 1 and 2. So like this we are going to continue and finish this round. So here you can see I have finished this round 3. So for the next round we are going to chain 3 and work 1 double crochet into the next stitch here. here work 1 double crochet, then increase in the next stitch. It is 1 and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Then we will work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, and then we will increase in the next stitch. It is 1 and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Again we will work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, then increase in the next stitch. 1 and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Then again 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, then increase in the next stitch. 1 and 2 in the same stitch. So like this we are going to repeat the same pattern around and finish this. So here I have finished this round. For the next round, let's chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Then work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. Then we will increase in the next stitch. 1 and 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Then work 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then we are going to increase in the 4th stitch. 1 and 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Then work 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then increase in the 4th stitch. 1 and 2 in the same stitch. So like this we are going to continue and finish this round. So here I have finished this round and cut off the yarn. Then for the next, that's the last round, we are going to join this orange thread. So here I am going to join the thread here where we finished the last round. So here pull this new color. We will start the last round. For that, chain 1. We are going to make a single crochet into the same stitch. So work a single crochet into the same stitch. Then yarn over. We are going to skip the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and into the 3rd stitch we are going to work 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we are going to make a picot. For that, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and insert your hook under these 2 side loops and we will make a single crochet. Single crochet and work 4 more double crochet into the same stitch. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we will skip the next 2 stitches and single crochet into the 3rd stitch. So here like this we are going to repeat around. Then we are going to skip 2 stitches and work 4 double crochets into the 3rd stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, then picot, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, Then make a single crochet under these two side loops, single crochet, then 4 more double crochet into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we are going to skip the next 2 stitches and single crochet into the third stitch. Then again skip 2 stitches and work 4 double crochets into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, then picot, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet into these 2 side loops. So single crochet and work 4 more double crochet into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then skip the next 2 stitches and single crochet into the third stitch. So like this we are going to continue around, and I'll meet you here at this end. So here I am near the end of this round. So we are going to make a slip stitch on top of this first single crochet that we made. Here on top of the first single crochet I am going to make a slip stitch. So make a slip stitch, then chain 1. I'm going to cut off the yarn, pull the yarn through. So that's our last round. So now I'm going to hide all these yarn tails. So here we are. Now we are going to make this circle at the center like this. So here this is round 1 and round 2. So we are going to make the circle between round 2 and 3. So for that, insert your hook into any one of the stitches in this between round 2 and 3. So here carefully between the stitches, here insert your hook. Then I am going to pull the orange thread through this stitch. So pull this orange loop here through this stitch. Then we will hold this yarn tail at the back with a finger like this. Then gently pull the loop a little bit. So we will skip the next stitch, skip one stitch, and through the next stitch we will pull the yarn like this. Then pull the loop a little bit, then skip one stitch and insert the hook into the next stitch and pull the thread into the previous loop. And we are going to repeat the same. Skip one stitch and pull the loop through the next stitch like this, like a slip stitch, and pull the loop like this. So like this we will continue. Skip one stitch, pull the thread through the previous loop. So like this we will continue around. Pull the loop. So skip one, insert hook, pull through the previous loop. So like this we are going to continue. So here we are near the end of this round. So now I'm going to pass the needle through the starting point here. I'm going to hold this yarn tail and pull the thread, pass it through the previous loop. Then we are going to cut off the yarn. I am going to pull the yarn tail like this. Now we have to pass this free end to the back. So insert your hook through the back and we are going to pull this tail to the back like this. So now here we have two yarn tails. Now we are going to make a nice knot. So I'm going to make two knots. One and one more to secure. So that's it. Now we will hide this yarn tail. So our pretty coaster is now ready. I hope you guys like this video tutorial. So hit the like button, leave a comment below, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.